When it comes to competitive gaming, the difference between celebrating victory and suffering defeat can come down to the finest of margins. No one knows this better than the pros who battle it out on the front lines of competitive esports every day. That's why Logitech G has enlisted the circuit's most seasoned pros to help engineer the next evolution in tournament-grade audio. The Pro X gaming headset. Designed specifically for professional gaming, with expert input from the best esports athletes on the planet, the Pro X gaming headset strikes the perfect balance between exceptional performance, high-quality form factor, and cutting-edge features, all designed to help you win. Equipped with Logitech G's industry-leading 50mm Pro G drivers and the incredible Blue Voice microphone technology, the Pro X gaming headset has been thoughtfully designed to deliver nothing less than precise, professional-quality esports audio. Noise-isolating ear cups and DTS:X 7.1 surround sound further cement the headset's unparalleled ability to meet the exacting standards of the world's most elite competitive gamers. The Pro X gaming headset's tournament-grade performance is matched only by its comfort-focused form factor and functionality. Along with the leatherette and microcloth ear cups, the headset's memory foam padding has been meticulously designed to improve comfort, whilst the sturdy, lightweight metal headband and forks ensure a precise fit and solid feel for over 8 hours.
Do not disturb.
This potent blend of high-performance technology and forward-thinking craftsmanship extends to the Pro X's comms as well. A pro-grade microphone outfitted with Blue Voice filters delivers voice chat with unmatched clarity, always ensuring crisp comms with your teammates. Whether you're a streamer, professional gamer, or up-and-coming esports athlete, the Pro X gaming headset can help pave your way to victory.
The V2X, baby.
We got a complete win right here.
These pack a punch.
Footsteps, directional audio, I think, is just perfect in these.
Had a very nice, natural headphone quality bass, if you catch my drift.
Arguably the best isolation we've seen from a gaming headset.
They have nailed the weight and comfort with this headset.
You don't want to take them off. They are that cozy.
The mic on the $60 V2X is incredible. Like, it's one of the best out there.
And I am completely blown away by the BlackShark V2X.
I've talked to a lot of my tech reviewer friends, and they all said that yes, this headset is phenomenal.
Even budget gaming headsets like the HyperX Cloud Alpha are gonna have a hard time swimming with the BlackShark V2.
We all share the same sentiment. Razer doing some really, really great stuff.
Ready to start using your new SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7? Let's get to it. Enjoy an unboxing video starting now. Jumping right in, to connect your Nova 7 to the PC, you have two options. Unless your PC has a USB-C port, you'll need to connect your dongle to the USB-A adapter cable, and then plug that cable into a USB-A port on your PC. Once connected, you can turn the headset on by pressing and holding the power button for 1 second. If you want to know if the headset is powered on, you can see the dongle LED increase brightness. The Nova 7 has Bluetooth capability, and it can be used independently from the 2.4 GHz connection. If you haven't already connected a device, the headset will already be in pairing mode. After you're in pairing mode, go to your desired device. Select the Arctis Nova 7 in your device's Bluetooth settings, and you should be good to go. To charge your headset, connect the charging cable from the headset's USB-C charging jack to any USB-C power source. The color of the power indicator LED indicates the battery level. One of your teammates whispering into their mic? Or worse, screaming through the game? Chat Mix allows you to control how much you hear game audio versus how much you hear in-game chat. To use this feature, download the SteelSeries GG Suite and navigate to the Sonar app at trysonar.gg. Once you download Sonar, the tutorial will help you set up your device as the Arctis Nova 7. You need to be on a PC to use this feature. Once you have Sonar set up, you can now change your game and chat volume with the Chat Mix dial on the side of the headset. At the middle position of the dial, your game and chat are full volume. Rotating the dial towards chat reduces the game volume and vice versa.
What's up, guys? This is Tim coming at you with another product review. Today we're talking about the Razer Barracuda X set of gaming headphones.
These are a pretty awesome little set of gaming headphones. I bought these specifically for a PS5 setup. And let me just give you an idea of kind of how they look and some of the things I like about them. So first things first, they do charge via USB on the bottom, so there's a built-in internal battery. Also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. You have a volume button as well here on the side, as well as a on and off and a mute toggle switch. The insides are a cotton soft foam. It's very nice. This is more of a kind of like a high density rubberized foam with a plastic top here. The microphone is removable, so you can use these as just headphones if you'd like, depending on what your needs are. It does come with a wireless transmitter that plugs into your gaming device. That can be a PC or whatever, and will transmit to these headphones. They, like I said, they're aesthetically very nice to look at, really cool, awesome, very lightweight, and they've been really reliable. You can also use a 35mm provided cord and plug into a controller directly if that's more what you would prefer to do. Overall, I think these are a great set of headphones for gamers and anybody who is looking for something to kind of step up their audio game. Personally, for me, some of the games I play, I've noticed a few more sounds in this particular set of headphones than I have in previous sets. So the audio quality from these is really just fantastic. So highly recommend, and that's my review on the Razer Barracuda X wireless headphones. Hope you guys enjoyed this review, and you have yourselves a great day.
Welcome to the new SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. First, the best parts, unboxing. Here's what comes included. Let's get started. You might know some of this, but we're covering our bases, okay? You can always just use one input, but to simultaneously set up with the PS5 or Switch, find the two USB-A to USB-C cables. Take one cable and connect the USB-C side into the input 1 on the back of the base station, and the USB-A side into the USB slot in your PC. Then do the same for your console, in our case, a PS5. You can change your input here in the base station. Press the power button on the headset for 1 second to turn it on, and you'll be connected. Now for the fun features. Can't hear your teammates? Or maybe you're hearing just a bit too much. Chat Mix allows you to control how much you hear game audio versus how much you hear in game chat. To use this feature, download the GG software suite and use the Sonar app at trysonar.gg. Once you download GG, head to Sonar and complete the tutorial. It will help you set up your device as the Nova Pro Wireless, but note that you need to be on a PC to use this feature. After you have Sonar set up, you can now change your game and chat volume within the OLED by pressing the control wheel or volume wheel on the headset to toggle between volume or chat mix. The Nova Pro Wireless has Bluetooth capability, and it can be used independently from the 2.4 GHz connection. If you haven't already paired a device, the headset will already be in pairing mode. To pair Bluetooth to an additional device, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 4 seconds to put the headset into pairing mode. You'll know Bluetooth is in pairing mode when the blue LED is blinking rapidly. After you're in pairing mode, go to your desired device. Select the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless in your device's Bluetooth settings, and you're good to go. Our hot swappable battery feature has been a fan fave, so we made sure to bring it back for the Nova Pro Wireless. Simply put one battery into your headset and the other into the charging dock of the base station to start charging. Once your headset battery runs out, swap it and keep going. So the only breaks you're forced to take are to the bathroom. The Nova Pro Wireless comes with a new active noise cancelling feature that allows you to cancel out all those annoying outside sounds. Whether you're trying to listen to music on the train or gaming at home with loud roommates, we got you covered. To use this feature, simply press the power button on the headset to toggle active noise cancelling or a double press for transparency mode.